It's a big day. Students in our area's largest school district can show up without a mask.
But the new optional policy is forcing some teachers to respond by calling out of work. Caroline COLEBURN talked to the president of the Chesterfield Education Association about the change. Caroline.
Well, Robin Reba, the Education Association is worried about what staffing will look like when students return to class today, some not wearing a mask for the first time since the start of the pandemic. And President Melendez fears the current teacher shortage is about to get worse. Now, Melendez says she's heard from several teachers over the past few days who are getting their resumes together to leave the teaching profession altogether. Some telling her they won't make it through the end of the school year because they don't believe the district cares about their health and safety. Now, according to a screenshot of an email sent to CBS 6 by Melendez, one school administrator sent a note to staff last night stating teachers are not the mask police and should not offer a mask to students not wearing one. That email also said teachers cannot separate students based on whether or not they're wearing a mask. And if teachers are concerned about exposure, they can teach from their 6-foot bubble, but they can't leave that bubble to help a masked student and not help an unmasked student. While Melendez says the majority of teachers she's talked to hope the Supreme Court reverses Governor Youngkin's order and mandatory masking resumes, some teachers like Stephen Roskell, who was fired from Chesterfield last year for not complying with the mask policy, say we should allow parent choice.
I think that there are students that are going to be making pleas to their classmates to wear masks because they know they have family members in their homes that are immunocompromised. And I would hope that parents would at least encourage their students to be respectful in that conversation.
I find it really sad that we are actually having a discussion about parental choice and medical freedom when it comes to wearing a piece of cloth.
Now, all students will still have to wear a mask on the school bus as a federal health order remains in place. And Rob Reba, this new executive order only applies to students, so all teachers and staff members will have to continue wearing their masks.
All right, Caroline COLEBURN reporting live. Thanks, Caroline.